What's up and welcome to DNA Drives. My name is Garrett and today I'll be switching out my old stock 13 FRS headlights for some very good looking VLand headlights. Super excited, super stoked. I've been waiting quite some time to do this install. If you enjoyed the video, you find it helpful, give it a like, consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed around here, and check out the other FRS videos I have on the channel. Right now I'm also molding a spoiler to my trunk. Super cool process. I'm waiting to get it painted at the moment, so I thought I'd make a video on putting on the new headlights. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is remove your front bumper. If you're not exactly sure how to remove your bumper, check out our channel. I have a bumper removal video for the FRS, BRZ, and GT86. Easy step-by-step process. Definitely check it out. After you get the bumper off, you want to locate the couple of bolts that are up top on the headlights on each side, and then there's one bolt down below. Remove those bolts, and then after that headlight is taken out, go ahead and take the 6 to 8 pin harness, wiring harness, and attach it to the wiring harness that was left behind on the car. If you are wiring this like myself and you have FRS, go ahead and take that turn signal that you unplugged and left behind, take the light out of it, and then go ahead and remove the white wedge lock. Using a pick tool, wedge the tool up in between the two metal plates, push away, and pull the wiring harness out. As you can see in the video right here, my friend is taking the red wire and he is cutting the jacket open, so then we have access to the wiring underneath the jacket. This is what you want yours to look like right here. And what we're doing is we are wiring up the old wires and the new wires, twisting it on, and then we're putting electrical tape around it. Really snug it tight on there. Taped each one individually, and then we taped the whole thing together as one. Thought it'd be kind of cool to throw this clip in. Went up to AutoZone and bought some new bulbs for the car, and I saw this really cool tricked out Subi. Sounded really nice. So unfortunately, like I said, I ran up to AutoZone and bought some H7 bulbs. They were pretty expensive at 50 bucks for just one pack. I wasn't able to use my old bulbs from my old headlights, so that was kind of a bummer, but hopefully these lights will do it good. After I purchased the bulbs, I was easily able to install them right in the back of the headlight. They were able to snap in, no problems. And then, I'm gonna be honest, I forget where this wire comes from. There's a green and black colored wire that goes into the back of the headlight bulb. I believe it's attached to the car, and it came from the old headlight bulb. Correct me down in the comments if I am wrong on that. Sorry, I can't confirm that 100%, but I believe that's where it came from. Did this project a week ago, and I'm trying to remember. Forgot to take a picture of this, so I apologize for that. We got power. Oh, upside down, but works.
There you go, my guy.
God, man, it's great. Alright, so before I end the video, I just want to talk about the process of installing the headlights. I tried to film everything that I could. What ended up happening was I had a friend come over and help me who was pretty good with electronics. His name was Reed, so shout out to Reed, by the way. Him and I were able to install the VLand headlights and wire them up correctly. The biggest thing that helped me wiring these headlights up to the car was, I'm not even gonna lie, I was watching a couple YouTube videos Mostly Alexandra Lopez. Her video is pretty good. She tells you which wires to hook up to the other wires, and it really helped out. Had no issues. It was pretty smooth sailing once I got the bumper off, put the headlights in. I was kind of skeptical at first putting these headlights in. I knew that there was going to be some BS probably putting them in, but surprisingly I had no issues. And I hate wiring stuff. I'm a body guy. I should know and be comfortable with wiring stuff, and I'm not. I don't get a lot of practice doing that, and I was kind of dreading it, but it was honestly pretty easy. So shout out to her for making that really good video. Check out her video and the other videos that are on YouTube for installing the VLand headlights. Hopefully this video helped you out as well. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel, please. My name is Garrett, and thanks for watching a DNA Drives video, and check out our other videos. This is my 13 FRS that I have on the channel, and right now I'm also molding a custom spoiler to the trunk, and it's about to get painted here pretty soon, so check out that video of me molding it to the trunk and the other videos I have on the channel. We also have a 2016 Genesis Coupe and a 300 SRT8 on the channel, so definitely check us out. We're trying to grow. If you would be able to take the time and check us out on social media, that would be really, really awesome. Walker and I, we have a TikTok. It's at DNA Drives. We post a lot of cool cars, cool mods, behind the scenes, upcoming videos, everything like that. I work at a collision shop, and I post a lot of cool cars that come through the shop before and after. Really cool transformations that I like to post on there. And then Walker works at a dealership. He likes to post a lot of cool cars that he may see that comes into the shop, like SRTs and TRXs and whatever else. And we also post videos on both of our cars, so be sure and give us a follow on TikTok, and then check out our Instagrams. They'll be listed down below. Follow both of the builds on there for some sweet pics. So check us out. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Oh, and by the way, if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. But thank you so much for watching. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.